Hi, today I want to show you some weird NextJS behavior and the way to fix it. I was building a Pokemon team app where I got my Pokemons and a bit of stats, and all of a sudden my HTML page is like 340 kilobytes, and that's a big deal. For example, Amazon homepage is like 120 kilobytes, Netflix is 42 kilobytes, and YouTube 68 kilobytes. And my crappy Pokemon team app like 8 times bigger than Netflix is? Doesn't think so. It shouldn't be like that. I picked NextJS to serve my content as fast as I can with React to my clients. Let me show you real quick how I build it and the way to fix it. As you can see, that's a homepage. I'm requesting my Pokemon team. Yeah, that's a 36 kilobyte of Pokemon data. But that's fine, it's not 360 kilobyte of Pokemon data. And yeah, I'm having like navigation here. I'm changing the store with my current Pokemon card. I'm rendering my current Pokemon and some basically statistical widget on the right side. Nothing crazy, just all of those is like client components with the use client on the top, and that's one is a server component. Statistical widgets pretty dumb. I'm just calculating something, and I have navigation to somewhere else, to like statistic page or whatever. Do you have any guesses what I did wrong? Leave a comment down below. And if you would like to know how to fix that, hit the like button and we will fix it in a few seconds. So to fix that, I'll just delete everything. That might help, but I need my Pokemons back. So I have page wrapper, basically exactly the same stuff what I was having here, but wrapped with another component. As you can see, exactly the same stuff. And let's wait for rebuild and check my page. And now, as you can see, it's like 50 kilobytes, already way better. So let me explain what happened there. Initially, that's how structure of my page was look like. We got server component and multiple clients component that directly attached to that server component. In order to pass props, and remember that 36 kilobytes of Pokemon data, it needs to be serialized in order to be passed to client components. And it serialized multiple times for each component. And next serializes it in that way, attaches it in here, basically just on stringified data in here, and it like duplicated as many times as many components we have directly attached to server component. At the moment, NextJS not deduplicated for you, so you should take care of it yourself. And how I fixed that? I did one more client component wrapper, and the only component directly attached to server components is my client component wrapper. So it means we have to only one time serialize props for that component wrapper, and we will pass a reference to any amount of other client components. If you don't like the idea of prop drilling and passing same object multiple times to different components, you can use context in NextJS, with a React context, basically, and it will save you from prop drilling. And if you need some interactivity, you can use Jotai with the use hydrate atom hook that will help you to get your props from a server and distribute it to as many client components as you would like to. I was even thinking of making some Chrome extension that will help you spot duplicated props. But it's not that easy. NextJS sometimes adds multiple leading slashes. It could be like 1, 2, 3 leading slashes in same serialized objects. So it's not that easy to spot programmatically. So you should take care of it yourself. And remember that you got a line between your server component and client component. And at that line, there shouldn't be many data serialization happening. That's fine if you have like small props like class names, some boolean flags or whatever, but if you have real like charts, could be a good example of it. You got to supply lots of chart data to your client component, you better just deduplicate it in the beginning. Use context or something like that. So that was it for today. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.